Good morning. I haven't had my coffee yet, but my Art Foamies box came and I didn't want to have to wait until I had coffee in me to look at the stamps. So forgive me if I sound weird and don't make sense. No coffee and excited. So this could be quite a funny video. Who knows? Looky, looky. Let's see how to do this. Oh, I like it. Oh, wait. Oh, my battery's about to die. Hold on. Okay, this is by Kat. I don't know if she pronounced her name Kerr or Care. I think it's Kerr. Kat Kerr. Kerr. I am loving this. Absolutely loving it. Oh. A beaver. Can't see who this one's by. And a bird. Red tin roof. Oh, little mushrooms. I like mushrooms. Red tin roof. Ooh, art by Marlene. I'm so excited. Yay. Yay, yay. Oh, wow. Red tin roof. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That's pretty. Awesome. This is N Studio. Designed by N Studio. Cool buildings. That is neat. They're all beautiful so far. Yay! Oh, that's neat. Lisa Walton. There are a lot of designers. I like that. I was trying to section them in their designers, but I'm going to run out of room. Enat Kessler. Oh, these are neat. So neat. Yeah, I ran out of room to separate them. Art by Marlene, heart. It's probably going to be hard to see them. Oh, that's pretty. Marta Harvey art. Oh, that is so pretty. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. They are all gorgeous. Balzer Designs. Yay, I like it when she does these. Yay. Yay, yay. Rebecca Meyer. Oh my gosh, my Crafters Workshop girls are in here. Yay. This is so cool. Boot. Rita Barrick or Barrick? Sure. Oh, I like this one. It's by Balzer. Balzer Designs. And Studio. Oh, that's neat. Neat, neat, neat. And another Balzer. Yay, I was so hoping the alphabet ones would be in here. Yay. And these are by Balzer. Yay. These are all awesome. This is so awesome. I'll just quickly go through them again. I just noticed up here it's a lot better, the view. These are awesome. So excited. I feel like that one doesn't want to show up very well. Beautiful. Are these not amazing? I swear I am in love with every single one. I feel like they handpicked them just for me. Really? Cute little mushrooms. Thanks for watching.